Bismillah. 6 small potatoes. Boil for 6 to 8 minutes. Let it cool for 5 minutes. Mash up the potatoes nicely. Add a bit of coriander. Add half tablespoon of corn flour. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. Half teaspoon mixed herbs optional. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons mozzarella cheese. Add 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Give it any shape you like. I'm trying cute triangles. And some rectangles. Take an egg. Mix 2 teaspoons of milk in it. Dip nuggets in egg and then coat with breadcrumbs. Fry them well in hot oil till both sides are red and the nuggets turn out crispy. Yummy! Thanks for watching.